John Waluke's appeal against his 67-year jail term comes up for hearing next Wednesday in a fresh fight to avert the lengthy prison sentence. Now, through his lawyers, Waluke wants the Court of Appeal to quash the lower court's decision to jail him for 67 years, terming the penalty as excessive. Waluke, who will be appearing before a 3-judge bench led by Justice Asike Makhandia, is also asking for release on bail during the duration of his appeal. Stimulator reports.
Sirisia lawmaker John Waluke is back to the corridors of justice in a fresh attempt to overturn a 67 years jail term, which he describes as harsh and unwarranted. A 3-judge bench has already been constituted to hear Waluke's appeal. Judges Asike Makhandia, Sankale Olekantai and Grace Ngenye will be on the bench Wednesday to hear Waluke's appeal. Through his lawyer Elisha Zebede, Waluke wants the appellate court to determine whether payment of monies made pursuant to a court proceedings arising from an arbitral award and payment made pursuant to a garnishee order can sustain a criminal charge and conviction. In January 2007, Irad Supplies was awarded breach of contract damages at the arbitration stage with NCPB that was later upheld by the Court of Appeal in July 2014, a matter Waluke wants the 3-judge bench to make a determination on. Waluke in the court papers also wants the 3-judge bench to determine whether a director of a company in the position he was in and for whom there is no evidence in record that he was involved in the day-to-day running of the company and was also not involved in the transactions is criminally culpable for a transaction that he never participated. Part of Waluke and Grace Wahungu's burden at the industrial area and Langata Women's Prison is serving part of the jail term on behalf of Irad Supplies Company. Waluke wants the Court of Appeal to rule whether the High Court and Magistrates Court had the jurisdiction to sentence him to serve the terms on behalf of the company. Waluke now wants the court to grant him reasonable bail terms pending the hearing and determination of the appeal. The Sirisia Member of Parliament says he has never absconded any of the court attendants, having been granted bail by the respective magistrates and high courts. In the court documents, Waluke wants the matter expedited, saying if this does not happen, he will miss out parliamentary sessions that may lead to the loss of his Sirisia parliamentary seat. The Court of Appeal declined to grant Waluke to appear in person during the hearing. He will instead attend the session online from prison. Stephen Letos, Citizen TV, Nairobi.